This is Yogesh Chabria. Recently, I was doing a seminar, and our seminars, I love to speak, I love to interact, I love to listen to people, members, friends, family, the audience. And there was a lady, she was about in her late 60s, and she asked, that Yogesh, you shared about togetherness and how there's a lot of joy when people come together, families, friends, loved ones, neighbors. But in today's world, people are in this mad race, and many times people don't want togetherness, people don't want friendship, people don't want love. And what do I do? And why? And it seems impossible. And the first thing I told her, it's not impossible because all of us are sitting here together. We had a wonderful energy together. We were laughing. We were sitting. I said, so firstly, it's not impossible because we're here. The second thing is, you can't force anybody. You can't force anybody to be your friend. You can't force anybody to love you. But what you can do is you can have an open heart. You can be open. You can tell them that I'm here for you. I'm your friend. I love you. If there's anything you need, you can reach out to me. But don't force, because the more you force, people repel. So what you do is just open your heart, and there are billions of people on the planet. Not all of them will have a similar attitude or mindset as you, and that is perfectly fine. Not everybody will enjoy the Happy On Air message. Not everybody will connect with me, and that is perfectly fine because I don't want everybody to connect. But at the same time, you share whatever is there within your heart. You share whatever you want to do, and whoever finds that message appealing, whoever finds a connect with that, will come to you. What do I mean? Let us say you enjoy nature. Let us say you believe a lot, you love nature, and you want to start something. You want to start a movement around it. You want to start a group around it. You want to start something around it. Let us say you want to start urban terrace gardens or gardens in balconies or growing food in your balcony. You put out the message to everybody, and gradually a group will start forming around it. Gradually a community will start forming around it. Or let us say you enjoy practicing the Happy On Air way meditation, or you form a group in your city, and every week, once a week, some of you will come, you will meet, you will discuss, you will enjoy. But that doesn't mean everybody will be attracted. Probably your close family might not connect. Probably some of your friends from school or college might not connect, and that's absolutely fine. But at the same time, don't have this in your heart. Many times you resist yourself. So many times people are holding themselves back. Sometimes you have an idea, you have something, you just keep it in your mind. You don't bring it out. And that, the energy that takes to repress that idea takes away the flow from your life. So if there's something that comes in your heart, in your mind, you want to share it, go out, put it out. What's the worst that will happen? Somebody will not accept it. That's okay. But at least you shared what you had. That's what I do with these videos, which I shoot, or our seminars, our books. I just simply come and share whatever is in my heart. There's no script. I just come share my heart. And that's what you start living your life this way. It becomes so beautiful, so joyful. So from this moment on, just share, and whatever I call these black hole statements, some of you who have been through our Happy On Air Way introductory program will be knowing these black hole statements hold you back. Replace these black hole statements and live life beautifully. Take care, enjoy yourself, have a beautiful evening or a day, and I shall see you soon.